Okay, close your eyes for a second. No, really, just for a second. Picture this. It's quiet. A deep, peaceful quiet you haven't felt in years. The air is cool and clean. You're holding a warm mug, and the only view out your window is a towering forest, or maybe a vast, empty desert painted in morning gold. There's no alarm clock blaring, no commute waiting. Your entire world, your kitchen, your living room, your bed is right here with you. And in an hour, you could be on the move, or you could stay right here for days. That feeling, that's the promise. And finding the machine that actually keeps that promise, that doesn't just get you to the beautiful places, but makes being there absolutely perfect. That's the hunt. For 2025, after looking at everything on the market, one name rises to the top, changing what we expect from a home on wheels. This is the Renegade XL, and it might just be the best campervan ever built. Welcome back to Auto Review Pro. I'm not just talking about a vehicle today, I'm talking about a key to a different kind of life. We're going to walk through every single inch of this machine, live in it with our imagination, and I'll show you exactly why the 2025 Renegade XL isn't just another option. It's the new benchmark. Let's start where every journey starts, the outside. The first impression. The Renegade XL has a presence. It doesn't scream RV. It doesn't look like a bulky, awkward box. It looks capable, sophisticated. There's a boldness to the front end, with that chrome-trimmed grille and modern LED headlights that cut through the night like jewelry. The body lines are athletic. They flow from front to back over the expanded living area, without looking swollen or top-heavy. It sits proud on its chassis, with serious all-terrain tires and pronounced wheel arches. You can see the higher ground clearance. This is the first clue. This isn't just built for the highway, it's built for the path beyond the highway. For 2025, the color palette is stunning. You've got this deep, magnetic metallic bronze, a sleek gunmetal gray, and a classic alpine white. They all look premium. This thing looks like it belongs in an adventure magazine, parked on a ridge line, and that's exactly the point. But the outside is just the shell. The invitation, the real story, the revolution, is the moment you step through this door. Go ahead, step inside with me. Feel that? It's not a stuffy, closed-in feeling. It's open, it's airy, it's light. The 2025 Renegade XL has completely redesigned the concept of space inside a motorhome. They call it the panoramic lounge concept, and you feel it immediately. Up front, the windshield is a giant, sweeping view of the world. But look to the sides, massive windows, and above you in the central living area, a huge skylight bathes everything in natural light. It feels less like climbing into a vehicle and more like stepping into a modern, minimalist apartment that just happens to have wheels. Let's take the official tour. Up front, you're in the command center, but forget the cramped truck-like seats of the past. These are captain's chairs wrapped in premium, breathable leather. They are heated, they are ventilated, they have adjustable lumbar support and armrests. You could drive for 8 hours and step out feeling fresh. The dashboard is a clean, uncluttered work of digital art. A fully digital driver's display shows you everything you need to know about the vehicle. And right beside it, a massive central touchscreen. This is the brain. This controls your navigation, your entertainment, your climate, and the entire house system with taps and swipes that feel as intuitive as your smartphone. Now, turn around and step into the heart of the home. The lounge. This is where you'll live. On one side, you have a supremely comfortable, L-shaped sofa. It's deep, it's supportive, and with a simple pull, it transforms into a generous double sleeping berth for guests. But the real showstopper is across from it, the kitchen. Please, let's not call this a galley. That does it a disservice. This is a true kitchen. The centerpiece is a gorgeous, durable stone countertop that gives you more prep space than you'd believe. You have a huge, deep bowl stainless steel sink with a fancy pull-down faucet. And then, the appliance is a 3-burner induction cooktop. Induction means instant heat, perfect control, and most importantly, safety. It only heats the pan, not the surface. No more worrying about open propane flames while you're bouncing down a dirt road. And here, look at this. A full-size residential refrigerator and freezer. Not a compromise, not a tiny cooler, a real fridge. This changes everything. It means real grocery stores, real fresh food, real ice for your drinks. You are not camping in the traditional sense. You are living fully wherever you are. Now look up. See the lighting? It's a fully customizable ambient LED system. Want a warm, cozy glow for a relaxed evening? Tap the screen. Need bright, clear light for reading or working? Another tap. The storage, it's everywhere, but it's intelligent. Every cabinet door closes with a soft, satisfying thump. Every drawer glides out on smooth, full extension runners, even when you're parked on a slope. And see these little niches here, lined with soft felt? They're for your gadgets. Your laptop, your tablet, your camera. They have thought about the texture of your life, the little things you carry, and they've given them a dedicated home. It's this attention to detail that separates a house from a home. And now for the sanctuary, the bedroom. In so many campers, the bedroom is a claustrophobic hole you crawl into. An apology. Not here. Walk to the back of the Renegade XL, and you enter a true master suite. It is dominated by a standard, honest-to-goodness king-size bed. No weird corners, no mattress. That's 3 inches shorter than it should be. A real, spacious king bed with a high-quality, supportive mattress. And you have standing height on 3 sides of it. There are proper bedside tables on both sides, each with integrated wireless charging pads. More of those gorgeous panoramic windows line the walls, with built-in blackout blinds and privacy screens. And this room has its own dedicated climate control zone, so if you like it cool for sleeping, you can have that, while the rest of the coach stays a different temperature. After a day spent hiking, mountain trails, or exploring new towns, this room isn't just a place to sleep. It's a luxury hotel room that you brought with you, parked at the edge of the world. The final piece of the livability puzzle, the bathroom. Again, no compromises. It's a full, one-piece wet bath, but it feels spacious because of the light colors and smart design. You have a proper glass door shower with a rainfall shower head and fantastic water pressure, powered by a high-output on-demand water heater. There's an elegant ceramic vanity sink with modern fixtures, and the toilet is a macerating model, a key detail for serious off-grid travel, meaning it's more efficient and less problematic. Everything is finished in high-gloss, easy-clean surfaces that feel sanitary and high-end. It's a bathroom you're happy to use, not one you reluctantly tolerate. All of this incredible living space needs a powerful foundation, and that's where the specs of the Renegade XL truly shine and separate it from the pack. It's built on a heavy-duty, truck-derived chassis that gives it a rock-solid, confident feel on the road, and, crucially, the capacity for massive tanks. We're talking about a fresh water tank so large you can shower for days. Gray water tanks to match. This is for true extended boondocking, disappearing into the wilderness for a week or more without a single hookup. The standard solar power system is now an incredible 800 watts, covering almost the entire roof. Think back to that quiet morning we imagined at the very beginning. That wasn't just a dream. With this, it's a real, tangible, everyday possibility. It's brewing that coffee in your own kitchen as the mist rises off a mountain lake. It's having a spontaneous picnic with food from your own full-size fridge. It's ending the day in a king-size bed in total silence, under a sky full of stars you can see from your own window. The Renegade XL is the tool that turns the fantasy of ultimate road freedom into your daily, comfortable, breathtaking reality. Now, I have to ask you because this is about more than specs. What part of that life calls to you? When you picture yourself in this space, what are you doing? Are you the one making a gourmet meal in that kitchen while parked by the ocean? Or are you the one curled up on that sofa with a book, rain pattering on the skylight? Or maybe you're just imagining the utter peace of that master bedroom after a long day of adventure. Tell me, drop a comment below and let me know what's your favorite feature of the Renegade XL, and where would the very first trip be? The 2025 Renegade XL proves something important. The call of the open road doesn't have to mean leaving comfort behind. Adventure doesn't require a compromise. You can have it all. A home that moves, a home that empowers, A home that is, without a doubt, the best of its kind. It's more than the best camper. It's a new way to live. If this journey through the ultimate home on wheels sparked something in you, do us a solid smash that like button. It truly helps us keep making these deep dives for you. If you're not already part of the Auto Review Pro family, please hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. We've got more incredible machines and lifestyles to explore, and we don't want you to miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking forward to that next horizon. We'll see you on the road.